Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and setting the project to match source resolution so pixels align. Place the clip on the primary storyline and immediately duplicate it with Option Drag to preserve a backup layer. Make sure the playhead is over the clip, then open the effects browser and search for keying. Once done, drag the keyer effect onto the top clip. This initiates the automatic matte. You're now ready to refine the background removal, rather than guess settings blindly. Once the keyer runs, inspect the matte in the video inspector to see holes or fringe. Use the sample color eyedropper to pick residual background tones and lower the strength if foreground is clipped. Next, switch to matte tools. Apply shrink/expand to remove edge halos, soften to smooth rough edges, and dispill to remove leftover color spill on hair or reflective surfaces. Make small numeric adjustments and play back to confirm motion doesn't break the matte. Now composite by placing your chosen background layer under the keyed clip and match scale and perspective so the subject sits naturally. If stray edges remain, draw a simple shape mask, Draw Mask, on the top clip to remove off-frame elements and animate its points if the subject moves. Color grade both layers so light and contrast match. Use subtle shadows to ground the subject. If you still see artifacts, try switching key methods to Luma key or split foreground/background and retune.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.